Look at these two tomatoes. If you go to the store, you will most likely pick this one and leave this one. Well, you should do the opposite. Let me explain why. This is a prawn, shrimp. It has a shell that's made of chitin, which is a polymer of N-acetyl glucosamine, which is derived from glucose. So chitin is a non-plant-based fiber. Plants make cellulose as their protective material. Animals and fungi make chitin. It is an incredibly useful biopolymer. It's used to dress wounds, as a preservative, in water treatment, and moisturizers and shampoos. But it's in agriculture where it absolutely shines. If you look at the shrimp closely, you will realize that they're actually just sea insects. So land insects also have chitin in their external skeleton. And plants have built immune systems that can detect chitin in the soil. And when they do, they go into complete panic mode. Oh my God, we're being attacked by bugs. And start manufacturing defense chemicals to prevent the bugs from eating the plant. And when a lot of resources are used to make defense chemicals, the fruits become smaller and more flavorful because plant defense chemicals equals flavor. So imagine if you could trick the plants into thinking they are being attacked by bugs without actually being attacked. Take shrimp shells, dry, powder, and add them to soil. Which brings us back to our two tomatoes. The one that looks smaller and is more misshapen is likely to have more flavor.